Let's quickly run through setting the time on a G-Shock DW-9500. To enter our time setting mode, we're going to press and hold our upper left adjust button. We'll hear the watch beep, and now we'll see this TYO start flashing, which allows us to choose our time zone with our forward and reverse button. To enter our next setting, we're going to press mode. This is daylight savings, off or on. Mode for our next setting, which will allow us to 0 our seconds. Mode for our next setting, which will allow us to set our hour, currently 2 p.m. where I live. Mode for our next setting will allow us to set our minute. Mode for our next setting will allow us to choose between 12 and 24-hour timekeeping. Mode again will allow us to set our year, 2025. Mode again will allow us to set our month. And finally, mode again will allow us to set our day. And once we're done with all that, we simply press adjust once more, and now our time will be set. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope that it was clear and helpful. If you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please do consider subscribing. Thanks everyone.